pink house or red house? Come on. You go around and tell me what you like, huh? With swimming pool or without swimming pool? With swimming pool.
Tama si Harry, nahandol na. Gusto talaga.
Hindi ka pa kami yan, hindi ka pa. Yan. Let's go. Let's go. See. Harry. Lublob mo kaya si Harry na yan, kaso patay sa akin.
Ang dapat nagdala pala tayo, eh, no?
Saan? Magkakanta ng ganyan. Ilang taon na siya? 10? I think Jessica. No, ano lang siya?
5.
5. Ah, 5? Taas naman. 5? Ang pili ko, 8 eh. Oh, Jericho, it would fit you. You like? Oh, come on. Oh, sige, go on. No, this is for Jericho. Oh, Jericho. Oh, come on. That's how they swim. Come on. Jessica, come on, and Jessica, let me try. So you can swim for 5 minutes, huh? I'll give you 5 minutes. Yeah. Let me see if it fits you.
Jericho,
Go see Dede.
come here.
Oh, don't say, don't lang.
No, Harry, don't put everything in there. What is Jericho? Are you going to swim or not? Are you going to swim or not?